TRD Pro is a great option for adventure-minded families that plan to get off the beaten path regularly. TRD Pro is not just an off-roader though, as it is loaded with premium features such as standard second-row captain's chairs, TRD heated steering wheel, and TRD accents on the seats and shift knob. TRD Pro comes with additional cargo hauling options thanks to the TRD roof rack. TRD-tuned FOX internal bypass shocks offer a smooth on-road ride, but most importantly they can confidently handle off-road terrain when the trail gets rough. A 1/4-inch aluminum TRD front skid plate offers added trail protection. Sequoia TRD Pro also offers additional trail capability with a standard selectable locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control and downhill assist control. TRD Pro proudly sports a heritage-inspired Toyota grille with an embedded TRD light bar and marker lights toward the top of the grille. It's equipped with pro-specific black 18-inch TRD alloy wheels with an increased offset to provide a wider stance. A dual TRD Pro exhaust tip provides added growl and visual appeal. The capstone grade sits atop the Sequoia lineup, building upon the great features of Platinum while adding additional top-shelf features to make it the most luxurious Sequoia to date. Capstone features unique chrome accents to provide an upscale appearance, with the most eye-catching feature being the standard 22-inch chrome wheels, a first for Sequoia and exclusive to Capstone. The premium cabin experience begins at the first step with standard power running boards that provide access to the standard semi-aniline leather-trimmed seats. Not only are the seats luxury grade, but they also tout stylish perforation and a Capstone exclusive black and white color combination. The center console and passenger side dash are accented with authentic American walnut with an open pore finish that highlights the wood grain. On the dash, the walnut pieces surround a Capstone logo that is accentuated with LED mood lighting when the doors are opened. For an even quieter cabin, Capstone is the only Sequoia grade to feature acoustic glass in the front doors for more exterior sound deadening. A wide variety of colors are available on the all-new Sequoia, including white, wind chill pearl, celestial silver, lunar rock, magnetic gray metallic, blueprint, army green, midnight black metallic, smoked mesquite, supersonic red and the TRD exclusive solar octane. Premium paint colors wind chill pearl and supersonic red are available, and the premium color solar octane is exclusive to TRD Pro models.